Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: paired watch, location enabled, and maps installed. First, confirm your watch is connected to your iPhone or cellular network so it can fetch routes. Open Maps on the watch and tap Search. Use dictation or scribble to enter your destination because typing is slow. Once done, choose transport mode, walking or driving, since that changes route and ETA. Make sure wrist detection is on so the screen wakes as you raise your arm, giving quick access to turn-by-turn directions. After starting navigation, the watch shows ETA, remaining distance, and the next maneuver. Follow those cues. Tap the route to reveal alternate options if a faster route appears. Changing transport mode updates suggestions, so adjust if traffic changes. Use the digital crown to zoom in for street-level detail or rotate to reorient the map to your heading, because visual context helps you decide where to turn. Also open the Options menu to toggle walking versus driving directions and enable louder haptics for clearer feel-based prompts. Complete navigation by tapping End or simply returning to the watch face. Directions stop and your route is cleared. If prompts stop working mid-route, first force quit Maps and reopen it to refresh the connection, because cached data can freeze. If you still lose location or receive wrong turns, toggle Bluetooth or airplane mode briefly to reset radios. Make sure iPhone and watch software are updated, since fixes often come in updates. As a last resort, restart the watch or repair with your iPhone to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.